The feet are very clean. I cleaned it with some lemon and I also cut the nails. Just adding 2 cups of water. Hello everyone and welcome back to Janet's Cooking Point. Today's recipe is chicken feet and I hope you are going to like the video, enjoy it and also try out the recipe. Welcome and let's get started. So guys, I've already cleaned the feet. As you can see, it's now very clean. And I've also removed the nails. I just want to start boiling it. Now we have our pot here. Just add the feet to the pot. Add some chopped ginger, and now we are adding some salt, mixed pepper, paprika, turmeric and curry powder. Some soy sauce and a little bit oyster sauce. Add some water. I'm just adding 2 cups of water. Cover it and cook it on medium heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and what I see, I can now remove it and start frying. Add some oil and now you can add the onions. And now you can add the garlic. That's the spring onions. And the hot chilies. I'm adding some tomato paste. And now we are adding the stock. I'm not going to add any more spices because I added already enough. it and allow it to boil for at least 5 minutes. So now it's ready. I'm just going to add my feet. They look so perfect. Cover it and allow to cook at least 5 minutes in the sauce, and then our chicken feet will be ready. Now it's been 5 minutes. Let's check the feet. Wow, looks so good. Zinaitwa virenje. So now the feet is ready, and I just have to remove it and make some kaugali and enjoy with it. And some vegetables. So guys, now it's time to enjoy my virenje with some kaugali. Time to dig in. Wow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, you're just watching the channel for the first time, please consider to subscribe and share, like, and always comment. For now, I say thank you everyone for always supporting me and always checking by Janet's Cooking Point. Thank you and see you next time.